Hi there, today I want to show you this very nice anti-fogging headlight set that I just got. Super easy to install, they're just plug and play.
Inside the box, you get 2 headlights and a user guide.
Some of the reasons I really like these is that they are high temperature resistant, anti-UV aging, and anti-freezing. They have one-way vents to prevent condensation, and the beams can be adjusted horizontally or vertically. Some of the reasons I really like these is that they are high temperature resistant, anti-UV aging, and anti-freezing. And they are built for the amber reflectors, the turn signals, high and low beams, and the parking lights. Again, very easy to install and a lot of great features. Plus, you can pick between chrome or black housing. I really like these headlights.